price today at Far From Ordinary.
Alright, excited to see this. $25 to get in though, kind of a ripoff. Alright, into the commercial.
Merch with Mavenseed.com.
That was a big group. It was like 15 cars. This is the spot coming down, Mini Moab. The easy way down.
Just go straight up there.
Yeah. I don't know, I might. Can I have a spot?
Once we get to the top up there.
Clank. I think that was a control arm. He is on 37s too, by the way, that guy. He has Metalcloak stuff underneath. His things are, he's got guards on the bottom of his
diffs. Or
whatever
shocks.
those called. Oh yeah, shock mounts.
Yeah.
I don't know if the Gladiator has the right geometry to go over that hump.
Yeah, it's pretty intense.
Jackson Cup.
Whoa, whoa! Oh. I'm a boat. It looks just like a boat.
Yeah, it really does.
It looks so much better with
The new bumper.
Oh my gosh, it's like night and day.
Yeah.
It looks
It's fun.
just, oh look at it, they're going at the same time, that's kind of cool. Oh, it looks so mean. There's Lance in his rig, right?
Yeah. This dude broke the.
Oh yeah, he broke his CV axle.
Yeah.
Yeah. That thing is cool though.
It really is.
Yeah. I feel like he's been driving that long enough to know how to use it now.
Oh yeah.
Even though I have a high time bumper.
Clonk.
The shocks are at like an angle.
Yeah, they're mounted. I've never seen them mounted.
I've
Just
seen
shocks
them
mounted
mounted
like that.
sideways before. Like a horizontal angle before. There's one at the top of the world.
He's warming up his tires.
How did that work?
I've seen that in like drag racing before.
Preheating.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can they go up to like 120 degrees Fahrenheit?
That's hot.
Yeah.
Freewheeling in one spot, and I was like, what? Like, there hasn't been any action in the
Right.
parking lot.
This is day 2. So we hit the same trail 2 days in a row.
Yeah, that doesn't ever happen. But 2 different groups.
Yeah.
So it was really cool.
But this was cool because this group was smaller.
Yeah, I like the smaller groups.
Yeah. Overall, even with the big group rides like EJS, it's easier to manage. We'll have to try going up the front next time.
Yeah.
It's like a sloth. Attacking up again. This Taylor. We used to have a one similar to that a long time ago in Florida. Dang, his tire came way off the ground.
Yeah.
Is that Bruce?
Yeah.
It's crazy to see people's different wheeling styles, like
Yeah.
the slow and easier, or just the lead heavy, lead foot heavy. Oh, manual. Yeah, his tire went off the ground too. Everybody's did.
Yeah.
Yeah. He went to his tire run too.
It's empty.
We're like, nobody's here, and then you look at the bottom and everybody's here.
Yeah.
Just still that far line to come down, Mini Moab. It always looks less traumatic when you see the video. There's so many different ways to take this hill.
There really are.
You just go up and down, and then go up and then come back down. Is appropriately dirty.
It is.
So this is to far left line. Because I was going to go up the same way, and he's like, come over here.
Yeah, we hadn't done this side yet.
No. It got really tippy, though, and that's where I stopped, and I was like, I don't know about this.
Tire's about to catch in the back and right here, so just go straight. I know. There you go. Yeah. Perfect.
So Alyssa going up middle right.
Oh yeah, middle right.
Yeah.
A good mix of challenging plus doable.
Yeah, you're good now. You're gonna come up. Alright. You have to reset moving driver, you slid too far.
Yeah, because there's that small rock right there.
You might be able to come up and hit the straight on.
Oh, that one.
Shot.
Back up. You have to back up a little bit and then turn more.
Yeah, you have to hook it. Like right when you get up there, you have to hook all the way passenger.
Alright.
Keep going, keep going. A little bit more. Keep going. Far back. You might need one more to go back up. That one might make it. You're just gonna climb.
God, the wheelbase of that thing is very short compared to the Gladiator.
Just
I mean, your tire's about to climb.
Well, this was my fault too. I think, I don't know. Because this is the line I took a couple times and it was fine.
Both tires are about to climb.
Yeah.
But learning the different vehicles and how to spot them up. Because she's really tippy.
The angle is just pitchy.
I don't know.
She wasn't worried about it.
No,
though.
she wasn't at all, which was cool, but man.
At the same time.
Yeah. It'll climb before the back tire
But
does.
I feel like she could easily get this one going a little bit more and it'll pitch her a little bit harder,
Yeah.
which would not be good.
Yeah.
I mean, I wish she was over just a little bit.
Back up and reset?
Yeah, I would say reset.
Reset.
Yeah.
That's a little. More than a little.
Yeah, I don't know. It's tough. When in doubt, it's better just to back off and try to line and
Unless you're a crazy
stay
person.
safe.
You're out of it. Yeah. Like it's close. I was like, probably okay. Yeah.
Dropping on this backside.
Yeah, keep backing up a little bit.
You have a few inches
more
for passenger.
There you go.
Alright, star's about to come off.
There you go. That's much better.
Taylor, far left, Mini Moab. That's a cool little build too.
Yeah, it is.
Pray for snow. That's awesome. He's tilting.
Yeah. Watch this tree branch right here. Fuck it up. Are you on? It is, right?
There's a 392. Gold hooks, right?
Yeah.
That rock on the right?
He said he hadn't actually planned on
Going right past.
doing any obstacles this day.
And I think it'll mess you up.
Oh, he was one of the ones camped at 9 at the bottom.
No, I think he was with our group,
Oh.
but he came in a different way, so he was at the bottom when we got there.
Perfect. Yeah, cool. Yep, you're good. Okay. Straight, little bit drop, perfect. Keep coming. The saddle pop up.
He had just picked this Jeep up the week prior.
So, oh wow. So I hadn't even owned it a week yet.
Yeah. Yeah. Perfect. You're gonna come down and back up. You get a little tippy, I'll watch it. Control arm. Hang on a second. Hold on. Control arm out on the other side. Say what? Control arm out on the other side. Mounted. Yeah, you're kind of. Alright. Go back and go passenger. Passenger back. Just on loose rock. Yeah. Hold it. Hold it more.
I was talking to some guy there about that. Like, cause when you have one person spotting, you don't want to jump in.
Right.
But sometimes it's hard. You just want to be like, you just want to say something. But yeah, that's the worst thing to do is just like jump in and add your opinions to the mix.
I think at that point, if you see something that the spotter can't see, you know, you can
say
voice
something.
that.
Yeah.
Okay. Angle it more, I could be wrong, but if this tire hits that in a different angle, because it's basically kind of hung up on the rear axle, it looks like, right? I think it's control arm. No, yeah, you're hung up on your control arm right there. That's the problem. So you need just like a little, you either need to get your, so it's right at that point where you are at the control arm. Oh, I see. The bracket. That's what you're hung up on. Gotcha. Yeah. So if we could, that's what I'm saying, if we could get you out. If I could pull it back a little bit, we can throw a rock. I was gonna say, if I could go back, I can even just put this rock. I think that might be enough. That's probably enough. That's probably enough. Yeah. Let's see if I can get that. It's just a straight wall. Yeah, that's a good thing. Don't move. That should do it. Yeah. Okay, I think that should do it. forward again. Say what? You're perfect right where you are. Your angle's perfect. Nice and easy. Don't come down, and then you're going to come up that rock and go. You're going to come up here. Hop it. Why? Oh, missed the rock? It's on it, but it's not enough. Let me try to get back up on that big one. You just need some more power, no? Yeah, are your tires there down? No? Let's do that. Oh, that's the trick right there, yeah. Yeah. Okay, you're good. I mean, that will solve probably this problem. Yeah. Hold for a second. I wasn't planning on doing this until I got here. Yeah. Thanks for the help on that. For sure. The easy flight guys? Yes, it is.
Yep. Air down makes all the difference in the world. But you were saying he wasn't even going to do this.
Right, he hadn't planned on doing any of the obstacles.
So that's why he wasn't even air down to begin with.
Here, what's this one?
What is going on here?
It connects to all four at once.
Okay, well that's pretty awesome.
I'll tell you what I do, 4 tires at the same time.
Well, I'll take off the caps. That sounds like a real treat. Yeah, I don't think you'll get the grip up front. Yeah, I know. I was doing that front tire, not even like conforming to the rocks at all.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Like, why isn't it? That's
Well,
why isn't it going?
I was just doing such easy dirt roads on the way here. I was like, yeah, probably not gonna do anything crazy today. Oh yeah, no.
Their little
Yeah.
air valve was really hard to get to.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because you see it's like inside,
Yeah.
inside like a divot. It was like that.
On the Tokerville ride?
Yeah, that girl's Jeep,
Oh, yeah.
which was the same way. So I don't know if those are like the stock rims or wheels that come on them, but
Yeah.
the valve is a pain.
Maybe they thought they were protecting it.
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
There it is, and you're on. Come on, bad boy, it's going though. It wants to. How's that wheel back there? Is it good? It's good. Yeah. Give it just like or bump it, just like go. Huh. Is he? I don't hear it scraping. Is he actually on it? Get it? Okay. Try it. Let's try it. Go a little bit harder, driver. There you go. All right. Almost. Oh, hang on, don't back up. He's already on the ledge now. Well, how's the back? Whoa, what happened? Yeah, the arm is touching.
The back slipped off the rocks.
Yeah, it's not going. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna have to back up and stack some good rocks. Alright, hold up.
We have.
Yeah, they need more than that.
It's the most workout I've gotten in quite a long time.
You roll back a few more inches.
Okay.
Parker and Charlie coming to help.
How's this one? Yeah,
don't think
look
so.
here. How's this one?
Yeah, I turn around. There's that little kid standing there. He's like, "I got a rock." I'm like, "Cool, thanks."
Point going forward and to the right seems to make the most sense.
I can't remember his name. The sunglasses. That was his kid, right?
Yeah.
The tall guy.
Chucky.
Yeah, Chucky.
Yeah, that's his son.
Yeah, like I think. Yeah, I mean, because then you just put it right up on walk over that. Okay. Oh my God. Alright, he's got to get up there. Go. There you go. There it is. You're on. Straight. Perfect. Your drops just feel weird. You're good. So you did it. Yeah.
And he's off. That's all it took.
I guess we are going downhill, right?
Yeah. I mean, you don't. I mean, I don't know what
There's only one way down.
Right, yeah.
The only thing I was worried about in mine was that I was.
He said, "I don't know what's gonna happen." He's right.
Like that. It wasn't as bad.
Yeah, we're good to go.
Go straight down. Wait, he'll go straight down.
Yeah. And then we're gonna follow him.
Okay.
Here's a good drop.
Right in between here. Either way, it's gonna be the same. All the same height. You get about 5 feet.
I love the playground setting. So you can just go where you want and try different things, and then when you're in group settings like this, you can kind of push each other just a little bit
Right.
into trying different stuff.
Yeah, because he's been here like several times.
Yeah.
Like so he knows like different lines and stuff. And we're still new to this area.
Right.
So yeah, it was cool to find somebody like that.
There you go.
I finally hit the sliders. God damn!
Tire wall just landed right on a rock.
1 foot, 2 inches, and you're about to drop on both sides at the same time. You're coming down now. Big swings. This was just a slide.
There you go.
Oh.
All right, I definitely want a picture.
Okay.
Ah, picture time!
I have mine.
Picture time! Yes. That's how you know it's such a relaxed atmosphere. Like nobody's concerned, like
Right.
for anybody's safety. It's like just everybody having a good time.
That was a much better one. You'll thank me later for the lighting.
Please.
All right. Sliding on the back.
Going down.
You're good.
Here, give it back to him. I'm gonna follow. Hell yeah!
There you go.
Thank you.
At the same time, somebody's going up the other side.
Chucky giving it a shot.
I think he makes it look easy though. It was like one shot up.
You're about to come up on this side. You have a while on this side. I'd go drive it.
We want him to come up here.
Oh, okay.
All right, driver. See if you can find that. Okay, little passenger. All right. That's the lines right there, straight on. That's like a Sunday afternoon drive.
That diagonal, if you come up middle right and you stay diagonal and far right, like anything, even something on 33s could take that middle right.
Well, we're gonna hit a few things. Alright, a few inches.
It's your first time coming down.
Yeah, the middle, which is the craziest line there in Mini Moab.
Alright, foot. 1 foot, 8 inches.
Those ledges are legit though.
They are tall.
They're even hard to walk up.
Yeah.
Just a few more inches. Okay, you're dropping. Yep, you go down. There you go. We lost a piece.
That was just a GoPro camera clip.
Oh, okay.
Oh!
I was with my testing mount to figure out if it was going to work there. It doesn't work there.
No.
Yeah, you're an inch slider, that was it.
Yeah.
Alright, coming down to the back, a few inches. Dropping.
Yeah, you got another.
Slamming his slider.
Hit your spare. Dragging the spare.
Alright, few feet, 2 feet, 1 foot. Okay, you're sliding down. Stop at the bottom for pictures. You're on your belly.
Picture time!
Picture time.
It's so cool. It's hard to get in trouble at that place. I mean, if you go off sideways, you could probably get into an area where you could roll over, but...
Yeah, you'd just go into the side.
Oh, yeah.
4122 with the hitch slider. Making a mark wherever we go. Actually, like running over there. Going up that thing is way different than coming down. Oh, here's all the tacos.
So this was the group that was having lunch at the bottom when we got there, right?
Yeah.
And now they're coming up and out.
And this guy was built pretty well. He had very expensive suspension, running Icon.
There were some really cool builds in this group.
Yeah.
And they had really great communication.
They did. You can tell they've done this quite a few times. That bumper thing is cool.
Like the two bumper.
Yeah. That thing is awesome. Appropriately aired down too.
Are those stock tires?
They're stock wheels, yeah, but he's aired down pretty well.
Perfect. Passenger side. Good. There you go. You're up. You're good. Slider tires. Slider.
The far left gets you really off camera. I think that's pretty fun. Well, that's what's the fun thing about that line.
I like how cautious everybody is. Like, they're out there to have a good time, but nobody wants damage.
Right, yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Exactly.
you know, nobody was in a hurry. We're going to take our time. We're going to get you through this safely.
You might be able to back up and push it back forwards.
Yeah, see if you can back up a little bit.
He's coming up. Look at it.
Yeah, because this rock's taken out.
Yeah.
So it's either going to drop, and then the suspension's going to drop, so we won't have any cracks on the outside.
We'll brought it up with
Stacking rocks is tricky because it's like if you don't make it in one fluid motion, there's a really good chance you're going to move the rocks
Right, yeah.
out of position.
That's where you have to kind of give it a little bit of gas and stay on it, keep that momentum. Yeah, see, just like he's doing.
Smoke the carrots.
Yeah, I agree. That's a pretty big hole down there. What's wrong with you? Back it up. Just a little. Yeah. Back it up.
Don't lock your. Keep your steering wheel a little bit more driver's side. When you're climbing, turn a little bit driver's side.
Right on that rock.
I know, but I don't want him to break his axle if he's gonna turn his steering wheel. Yep, you're good. That's all you did. Just go. Yep, all you.
There we go.
help from two little children.
Go passenger.
Is somebody else trying far left?
You're good. You go straight. Straight out. Passenger. Nice.
sound.
Yeah, the sound looks cool.
Yeah, a little starburst. Max is burning his cornea as he's filming. You finally brought the popcorn, man.
They wouldn't give me a straw for the popcorn butter.
Was there a long line?
No, they just wouldn't give me a straw for the popcorn butter.
Well,
So you spent half the movie trying to get a straw for the popcorn.
The butter that goes in popcorn, yes.
some people like butter. He wasn't afraid to drive that thing.
It's a great shot.
External camera.
Nice and easy.
Yeah. Perfection. I was telling Parker we used to have a Jeep like that. Mom used to have one back in the day.
It wasn't outfitted for off-roading.
No, it was not. It was outfitted for boom booming.
It really was. I had giant speakers and 20-inch rims.
20 inch. Yeah, can you believe that?
20-inch Lexani crystals.
Mom had 20-inch rims.
And 215s.
215s in the trunk.
I used to be so cool.
Those were the days. What happened?
We're just.
You happened.
Yeah. We're entering our second life here, so.
Oh yeah, that's pretty loose.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's loose. I can see the jam that's loose. I got a wrench, I'll tighten it.
Yeah, I got
It's no
close, too.
biggie. I ain't too worried. Pretty tight still. Yeah, it's definitely loose.
Tire. I like the way he's got his high lift jack mounted out of the way.
Yeah. So another taco.
His tire's off the ground.
Oh yeah.
No, that's a Ford.
What is it?
Yeah, it's a Raptor or Tremor.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Tremor.
Tremor.
Yeah,
What is that?
it's
That's
a Ford.
it's pretty much a Ford Raptor, but not as built for off-roading.
Huh.
And the body style is a little more like rounded.
Your front tire's off the
Must it still be IFS?
Yep.
This tire is off the ground.
Oh, teeter-totter.
That's cool.
The only Ford trucks that aren't IFS are like the like F450s.
the area is so loose. You don't even realize it coming down either.
Just the sand?
Yeah, but on top of the rock, so it's entirely different going up than this.
That's impressive that can really make it up that.
Yeah, he's got
weight.
Yeah, he does.
Bed camper. There's a bed camper on it.
It's a cool looking setup.
Yeah, it's very shiny.
Yeah.
Very shiny.
Something slow down.
I was hitting the ledge or something.
With a Jeep, you're just like, go driver, you'll probably make it up.
Almost. There you go.
Almost.
There.
Needs more power.
First try.
The little FJ's like, later, bros. Somebody else we know drives.
Yeah, the guy from Saturday's group.
That's such a cool shot with the dust coming in.
That's a raptor. Yeah. The raptors almost have the F-450 style barn. Because they have kind of that weird dip in front window.
Now drivers are faster.
There's only a few things that are different.
That's the Bronco.
I think the footage is looking a lot better because now we're shooting on like 1/60th instead of 1/25th, so it's not as blurry.
There you go. You're up. You already cleared this stuff, too.
Come back, driver. You're gonna start dropping off right now on that passenger.
Was this the FJ coming back down?
I think so. He's got. Did he have a lot of stuff on?
Or was that a different FJ? Do you remember if there was more than one?
Looks like his thing's sliding over. Does it feel like that?
Are you gonna go down this or are you gonna break it?
Yeah, I'll probably make it.
So yes.
No, no, yeah, whatever my truck says.
Film at the same time.
You're about to drop.
Just not everybody's got a camera crew, huh?
Oh, it's a walkie.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah.
Oh.
Nice tent, honey.
Okay, dropping passenger wheel. Let it drop first.
Oh,
Three now.
tire came off.
Those steps could be pretty prone to be
And he's no center.
damaged. Oh, bummer. He's turtled.
Told you. Can you back up? Nope, you're not. You're
Yeah,
turtled.
that's it.
Push it.
We've been there a long time ago.
Mm-hmm.
Those
Well.
are still like stop.
Yeah.
No, we had our baby lift.
Push him down.
Oh yeah, we had the baby lift. It was this poison spider what we got high centered coming down on the way out.
I did too.
1, 2, 3.
Nope. He's on there pretty good.
Okay, you're gonna dig yourself in more.
Go ahead. You can gun it.
I go nowhere.
You're gonna winch him out?
Someone's got to pull me out. I'm stuck.
Oh, okay.
Go, Eli.
We might be able to back up like that, actually.
Eli, just lightly gas.
When you don't. Well, he hit back. So that was
doing?
interesting. Try to jump out on the back so we could back up.
Do you have a strap?
When I saw this, I was like, please don't drop the camera.
That's why you need a
Oh,
winch.
Well, or probably a better rope.
Yeah, they were talking about that too. Nobody loved that rope.
Yeah.
I guess it'll work.
Is there any points on there? Oh yeah.
Is that metal side? That rope solid?
Probably. There you go.
So I think it's funny, like that whole last part of the video, it's all the other group. Our group had kind of stopped playing by that point and we were all just chit-chatting.
Yeah.
Which was cool because I don't know if anybody in our group had run together before.
So yeah, that place is cool.
Yeah.
So it's cool.
So it's cool. Oh. Time to go.